No way. That's gotta be a young buck on my old cutoff line from last year. That's crazy. Huh. Well, here's what we got. It is thicker than thieves all the way around this one opening in this woods. I mean, it's thick all the way around, besides like right here. And you got these trails that come from this bottom down here. There's a bean field right over across the road. But you have this trail, you have that trail, you have that trail. And then you have this trail right over there. And then you have this trail here. So I'm gonna set my camera up. An oldie, but it might be a goodie. You never know, but we'll find out. I'm gonna put the trail camera up now.